All right, SunJoe. You're looking at it right now. There's what I've mowed. This is good for a little lawn. I got another little piece of lawn right there, and another across the little step up to my door. All right, so let's get it going. It's gonna kick on to a higher gear because the grass is thick. Here we go. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. There it goes. Did you hear it kick in? They don't tell you that in the instructions, that it kicks into a higher gear when the grass is thick, but it's good, man. I'm doing this one-handed because I got to hold the camera with my other hand. So here we go. Look at that. Watch. Perfect for my lawn. I just got to tell you, I think I bought this lawnmower when President Trump was president. When Trump was president, it went up a lot, and it went up probably about $65, $75 in price when Biden got to be president. Anyway, just letting you know. It looks like a toy, but it cuts like a charm. That's what I'm talking about. Take a look. Look at that. Look at that. I'm talking smooth. That is smooth. Smooth, man. That's what I'm talking about. I appreciate you viewing this video. Thank you.